Alrighty, today is Friday, July 6th. Hopefully you had a beautiful 4th of July, but without further ado, we're going to continue part 2 to this 3-part series, and we're going to draw Ed. Alright, let's get started. Alrighty, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so for a minute, I'm not gonna lie, probably my best minute sketch. Like, look at it. This is probably the closest one. Anyways. As in tradition, you know what I'm about to do. Let's get to it. Bye.
Huh? Everybody's doing it! Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy! Excuse me, Eddie. This is my song.
If you can't beat him, show up! Let's mambo! Syncopated style!
Alright, so in 8 minutes, 59 seconds, and 13 milliseconds, we got... Double D. I think we're twinning, right? Yeah? No? Alright. Anyways, thank you for watching, and as always, peace, love, and hot sauce. I will catch y'all next week. Thank you for watching.